Morning students, today I am going to teach you self-management skills. In this session you will learn stress management. In stress management I will discuss about what is stress, types of stress like internal stress, environmental stress, survival stress and fatigue. Later on I will discuss about different topics which is related to this chapter. Okay, now first I would like to discuss about what is self management. Self management, which is also referred to as self control or self regulation, is the ability to regulate one's emotions, thoughts and behaviors effectively in different situations. This includes managing stress, delaying gratification, motivating oneself, and setting and working toward personal and academic goals. Example, a student with a strong self-management skills arrive to class prepared, pay attention, follow directions, allow others to speak without interruption and work independently with focus. Now we will discuss about what is self-management skill. Self-management skills are the abilities that allow people to control their thoughts, feelings, and actions. If you have strong self-management skills, you are able to set your goals independently and take the initiative to achieve them. Purposeful self-management can help you direct the trajectory of your career and ensure you seek opportunities that get you closer to your goals. So now you can see here stress management that comes under the self-management skills. So here we will talk about what is stress. Stress is an emotional and physical damage usually due to our response to pressure from the outside world. According to Palmer, stress is the psychological behavioral response by an individual when they perceive a lack of equilibrium between the demands placed upon them and their ability to meet those demands, which over a period of time leads to ill health. Any situation or thought that makes us annoyed, angry, frustrated, or anxious can cause stress. Every situation is different and everyone sees it and handles it differently. Therefore, a situation which may be stressful for one may not be for others. Stress is inevitable. It can be good if it is in small quantities. It can motivate us and help us to become more productive. However, too much stress can be extremely harmful. How we react to a stressful situation determines the impact of stress on our body and health. If we respond to stress in a negative manner, our health and happiness will suffer. We can learn to handle stress more effectively by understanding ourselves and our reactions to stress provoking situations. Now next topic is types of stress. So students, you can see here there are different types of stress: internal stress, environmental stress, survival stress and fatigue. First I will discuss about internal stress. What is internal stress? Internal stress is caused by worries that arise within you, rigidity of mind, pessimism, perfectionism, unrealistic expectations, and negativity can all lead to worrying. When we get mentally overworked at the time of exams or when we are approaching some deadline, we are likely to get stressed. Next, environmental stress. Environmental stress is caused by external factors that are around us. Work, peer and family pressure, major changes like change of job, married status and place of residence and relationship issues all contribute to environmental stress. Our place in society is a major contributor to environmental stress. It can also be due to the changes that take place at the time of puberty, when children undergo hormonal changes and are subject to great pressure with regards to physique and looks. Next, survival stress. Survival stress is the stress that hits you when you find yourself in a tight spot, fighting for survival. Here your body reacts with a burst of energy that helps you escape or survive. Lack of money or sometimes an excess of it can contribute to survival stress. Next topic is fatigue. Fatigue builds up over a period of time and takes a toll on the body. It is caused by overwork and long hours at work, school or home. This is often a result of bad time management and lack of relaxation. While we often think of stress as purely psychological, stress is categorized as mental, physical, emotional, nutritional or toxic. Solution which is based on previous video. In do's part you will write at the writer's name. The heading of the article should be short, clear and informative. Target the audience. The language and the style of writing should be according to the concerning readers. Use proper punctuations. In don'ts part you will write very lengthy articles. The title should be lengthy and clear. Only the introduction and the conclusion should be attractive and attention seeker. One can advise, suggest, and give the solutions to a problem in any paragraph other than the starting one. Next, there must be only 3 paragraphs in an article: introduction, middle one, and conclusion. Use any tense, person, voice as many abbreviations and self-made words while writing an article. Homework for today is: what do you understand by self-management? What are self-management skills? What is stress? Write short notes on the following: survival stress and internal stress. Thank you.